Guys, check this out. Guys, look at this. We're back heading towards the moon. We're back to the moon, guys. So, CPI report came out, guys. The inflation report that everyone's been waiting for came out. Expectation of the report, guys, it measures the inflation. CPI, it's simple. We're gonna keep this really simple, guys. I'm gonna try to do my best to explain this in a very, very simple way and explain what happened today in the stock market. And you guys could see this is my overall portfolio, and it's based on a lot of different stocks, some cryptos, a lot of different stock. Everything is up hugely. Huge. We're up 13% overall. We're up almost 5,000 for the day, and we're almost at 40K. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I mean, if you take a few weeks ago, man, we're let's see, a month, we're up 11,000 for the month. Up. It's crazy. But anyways, so what happened? CPI number, guys, the expectation of the number was 8.7. We were expecting 8.7% of inflation. It came out at 8.5. Anything lower, guys, was obviously gonna be a really good thing. And this is kind of what the Fed explained that it was gonna happen with the last interest rate hike. Last interest rate hike, it was another 0.75. It could have been 1%, but they decided to go with a 0.75, explaining that they thought that we peaked in inflation. While we were waiting for this is confirmation, guys. Today we have confirmation that we peaked. We're on the other side of we're heading towards the other side of the bell, guys, on the bell curve. We hit the top. We were at I think it came out at 9.1 last month. It was expecting already to be down, but not only it's down, but it's even lower than what was expecting. So once again, analysts are wrong, because a lot of the time they've been wrong lately. But it's in our favor big time. Markets are coming back, guys, and they're reacting really fast. Guys, you see the jump from 8:30. It was announced at 8:30. 8:30 to 9 o'clock. We were up already 8%. No, let's go 9 o'clock. 8.5% by 9 o'clock. I put a lot of buys, guys, at 8:32. I was on it as soon as I was on it. I looked for the number. It was released at 8:30. At 8:31, guys, I was buying stocks. I was almost I would say a minute late, guys. I was a minute late because this all happened within a minute. These 6% happened within a minute. And I bought about $2,000 worth. And I should have actually bought more. But guys, this is good because at this point, the next step is going to be the next CPI report, and there's no Fed meeting until September, until I think it's the end of September or September 20th, so past mid-September. So we're good for another month, and I could see this month being a big green month. This is set up to be a big green month for the market. So I think we're done with the bottoms. Now, we're not, if you really think about it, this is not the first time, because the Fed thought that we peaked, guys, in March. We hit a peak. It went lower in April, but then it spiked in May. Inflation went back up in May. And then it went back up. Now it's down. It should be going down. At this point, you think the trend is down, especially when you see all the energy. Energy prices have dropped so much. That kind of driven the whole inflation number down big time. But I don't see anything big happening until the next CPI report. Next CPI report, I'd say careful, because it does not necessarily mean that things are going to keep going down, but it should. Guys, we just hit 40,000. I need to take a screenshot of this. I'm going to screenshot this. It's the first time that I hit 40K on my stocks. I can't believe it. It happened, man. Things are looking good, man. Things are clearly looking good. So anyways, we're good, guys. We were all waiting for this. Earnings are done. Most earnings are done. A lot of the big companies actually did pretty decent, pretty good, and held up pretty. We didn't hit any lower bottoms. A lot of people were expecting lower bottoms with the numbers coming out, and it did not. Numbers were pretty good. A lot of companies the numbers came out good. Anyways, guys, we're gonna keep this fairly short. At this point, I'm mostly invested in the market. You guys see some buying power, but I also have margin turned on, so I'm pretty much fully invested in the market. And at this point, I'm waiting to see if anything dips, anything that I really have my eye on. But I already did most of my buys. I'm kind of waiting to see. Let's see how the market digests tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm expecting that the market could sell off a teeny bit. I'm not saying a big sell-off or anything, but some people might want to lock in some profit. So we might see a bump down, or maybe not. Maybe we're just slowly heading to the moon at this point. This is good, guys. This is really, really good. Anyways, happy investing. Any question, leave it down in the comments. If you have any question on any particular company, but I'm not going to talk about any particular company. This is just the overall market. Overall market's doing great. Time to be in. It's definitely time to be in. I'm invested. You guys should be. I really doubt at this point, guys, that we'll see new bottoms. We might see some lows. Things heading back towards some low, but not some new bottoms. I really doubt. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Celebrate, man. You guys probably had a good day on your stocks. Celebrate. Take the time to celebrate. It's important. It's important because we beat ourselves up, guys, on those red days. We do, because I'm one of them, man. Red days are not fun. They're not fun for anyone. It's hard to not look at your portfolio, but you know what? It's also important, guys, to acknowledge these green days, these winners, man. Today we won, guys. It's a win. Today's a big win. So take the time to celebrate, acknowledge it. I'm taking a screenshot of my 40K. It's nice, man. It's not nice. Let's be real. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, happy investing. Subscribe. I'm out.